how to clean your Pentair salt chlorine generator.
Turn off or put in service mode. Lube cell tower stand O-ring. Right, left. There's the scale we're cleaning. 4-part water, 1 part acid. Be careful, be aware of the acid droplets. While we're waiting for that, let's lube up our O-rings. No more bubbles! Empty into pitcher, wash out and pull, and then come back and wash out our cell. Take cell stand off over bucket. Put it back on the way you found it, the flow meter pointing back towards the pool.
Don't be afraid to use those guns. Don't want to use channel locks. Put some elbow grease on it.
Use both hands for a last quarter turn.
Service mode, we're gonna put it back in auto.
All our lights are green now. And now you know how to clean your Pentair salt chlorine generator. This is gonna work for Jandy or Haywards as well. Same process, maybe a little different configuration.